Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, honorable guests, visiting delegation from Malaysia and Pakistan's business community, some ministers. I just want to say that this has been a great privilege to receive Dr. Mahathir. Tomorrow is a big day for Pakistan, our national day, and to have Dr. Mahathir honor it has been something that across the board, every Pakistani has appreciated it. It's not just the fact that Honorable Prime Minister changed Malaysia. The way Malaysia developed under Honorable Prime Minister has been a model for most of the countries, especially in the Muslim world, who have struggled to develop and to maximize their resources and achieve self-sufficiency and standing on their own feet. So that is just one aspect why people are so happy to see you, Mr. Prime Minister. The other reason is the way you spoke at lunch today. Most of the people in this hall have not heard that speech. But I think when tonight the speech is heard by people in Pakistan, it will renew their love for you, because you say things which sadly, and I say sadly, other Muslim leaders are scared to say. And it's because a lot of them are not leaders. They are office holders. Leaders are the ones who have an ideology, who have clear stand on moral issues, and who take positions. Unfortunately, non-leaders do not take positions. They want to please everyone. They don't take a stand. And it's because of the stands you have taken over the period of time, Mr. Prime Minister. That's why there is such a great response of you honoring us and on an occasion which is very important for us, tomorrow, 23rd March, the day when the resolution for Pakistan was made in 1940 by our great leader, who Pakistanis look up to, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Today is about increasing trade between the two countries. It is learning from especially the Malaysian model. It's investment opportunities, which we hope today I'm told that they will be signing various MOUs. And I think the meeting we had this afternoon, we have decided that there will be a strong ministerial level committee which will meet regularly and which will keep interacting, so that we know exactly how we can keep enhancing and increasing trade between the two countries. So I again welcome you again, Mr. Prime Minister, and I want to say we will be sad to see you go tomorrow. We wish you could stay here much longer.